Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Athletes in several sporting events have been feeling the financial pinch of a lack of competition due to the spread of COVID-19. Another group that will be affected are football referees, and Simon Preston explains.
It may not afford them a flashy lifestyle, but no games mean referees will see a dip in their income. It's something that causes concern to manager of the referees department at the Jamaica Football Federation, Victor Stewart.
Economically, this has been a strain on referees because, as you know, most of our referees, at least 13 of our match officials plus some CONCACAF match officials that we have here, they participate in various tournaments across the region. This assists them greatly in their economical development. Most of our referees are professionals locally. However, they do earn from the football. And so this, like all other sporting personalities, this has put a strain on them economically.
Former FIFA referee Carl Terrell is not affected by the lack of games, but not all referees are in his boat.
Some referees, this is their 9 to 5, while other referees, they have a 9 to 5, like myself. I'm a teacher, a coach, and a referee. I do matches in Kasafa, at the parish level. But you have referees who depend on the RSPL, depend on CONCACAF matches, depend on FIFA matches. So if there are no leagues in and around CONCACAF, then you will not have an income.
In the space of 2 weeks, CONCACAF have postponed the Champions League, the Women's Under-17 Championship and the Caribbean Club Shield. Several Jamaicans were slated to work in these competitions, and member of the referees committee at CONCACAF, Peter Prendergast, says the regional governing body will decide next month on how to deal with the issue of remuneration to officials.
Just yesterday I sent an email to Brian with respect to that same concern about the possibility of some kind of stimulus or advance for match officials pending the reopening of competition. So I guess in another 2 weeks we would have more information coming out. But I'm sure based on how CONCACAF operates, it is somewhere in the thought process of the administrators.
All football competitions on the island have been suspended indefinitely. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.